First, easy installation. Moroccan peel and stick backsplash wall tiles are designed for easy application, allowing tenants to install them by themselves, making them ideal for quick updates to kitchens or bathrooms. Second, damage-free removal. They can be removed without leaving any residue or damaging the underlying surface, ensuring that tenants' deposits are not affected. Third, instant style upgrade. These tiles offer an affordable way for tenants to personalize their rental spaces without making permanent changes. Fourth, durability and easy maintenance. Despite their ease of installation, Moroccan peel and stick backsplash wall tiles are still very durable and easy to clean. They resist moisture and stains, making them suitable for high-use areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Fifth, cost-effective. The cost of self-adhesive tiles is much lower, allowing tenants to achieve a high-end look without a significant expense. Follow us to get a free sample of our Moroccan peel and stick backsplash wall tiles.